Today, I will introduce to you 5 delicious and simple stir-fry recipes you can make at home. 1. Chicken and broccoli stir-fry. Ingredients: 300 grams chicken breast, sliced. 200 grams broccoli florets. Cloves garlic, minced. Tablespoons oyster sauce. Tablespoon soy sauce. Tablespoon vegetable oil for frying. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Heat the oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. 3. Add the sliced chicken to the pan and stir-fry until the chicken turns golden and is almost cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes. 4. Add the broccoli florets to the pan. Stir-fry for another 3 minutes. 5. Pour in the oyster sauce and soy sauce. Then mix well to coat the chicken and broccoli evenly. 6. Stir-fry for an additional 2-3 minutes, or until the broccoli is tender but still slightly crunchy and the chicken is fully cooked. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 8. Serve hot with steamed rice or noodles. Enjoy! This simple and delicious dish is perfect for a quick meal. 2. Beef and bell pepper stir-fry. Ingredients: 300 ground beef, sliced thin. 1 green bell pepper. 1 red bell pepper. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil for frying. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Recipe: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Slice the beef into thin strips and cut the bell peppers into thin slices. Mince the garlic. 2. Heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. 3. Stir-fry the beef. Add the beef strips to the pan and stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until browned. Remove the beef from the pan and set aside. 4. Cook the vegetables. In the same pan, add a little more oil if necessary, then stir-fry the minced garlic and bell peppers for 2-3 minutes until slightly softened. 5. Combine the ingredients. Add the beef back into the pan, then pour in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Stir everything together and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the beef is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender. 6. Season to taste. Add a pinch of salt and pepper if desired. 7. Serve. Remove from heat and serve hot with rice or noodles. Enjoy! 3. Shrimp and asparagus stir-fry. Ingredients: 200 grams, 7 otoisonus shrimp, peeled and deveined. 150 5.3 seriosi asparagus, trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. A pinch of salt. 2 garlic cloves, minced, optional for extra flavor. 1 teaspoon cornstarch, optional for thickening sauce. Instructions: 1. Prepare the shrimp. Peel and devein the shrimp, then season them with a pinch of salt. 2. Prepare the asparagus. Trim the ends of the asparagus and cut them into bite-sized pieces. 3. Stir-fry the shrimp. Heat sesame oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the shrimp and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and are cooked through. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. 4. Cook the asparagus. In the same pan, add the asparagus and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they become tender but still crisp. 5. Combine. Add the shrimp back into the pan and pour in the soy sauce. Toss everything together for another 1-2 minutes until well combined. If using cornstarch, mix it with a bit of water. Then add it to the pan to thicken the sauce. 6. Serve. Remove from heat and serve hot, optionally with rice or noodles. Enjoy. 4. Tofu and mixed vegetables. Stir-fry. Ingredients: 200 grams tofu, sliced. 100 grams carrots, sliced. 100 grams cabbage, chopped. 100 grams mushrooms, sliced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon chili sauce, optional for spice. Instructions: 1. Prepare the tofu. Fry the tofu slices until golden brown on both sides. Set aside. 2. Stir-fry the vegetables. In a pan, heat a little oil and stir-fry the carrots, cabbage, and mushrooms until they soften. 3. Add seasonings. Pour in the soy sauce and chili sauce. Stir to combine and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Combine. Add the fried tofu back to the pan with the vegetables. Gently mix and let it cook for an additional minute. 5. Serve. Remove from heat and serve hot, optionally with rice or noodles. 5. Pork and green beans, stir fry. Ingredients: 300 degrees, 10 Oz. Pork, thinly sliced, 200 grams, 7 Oz. Green beans, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a pan or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and stir-fry until fragrant. 3. Add the pork slices and stir-fry until the pork is no longer pink. 4. Toss in the green beans and continue to stir-fry for another 3 to 4 minutes until the beans are tender but still crisp. 5. Add the oyster sauce and soy sauce, then season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Stir everything together until well coated and heated through. 7. Serve hot with rice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the channel. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more recipes to cook at home.
In your eyes, I find my place. A love so deep I can't erase.